Hi friends, this video shows how to change a refresh rate. Let me go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Go down, select match content frame rate. Here you can see three options. So right now here you can see I have selected never. Never means TV will not automatically change refresh rate or frame rate based on the frame rate of the content that we are playing. If you want to change the frame rate or refresh rate, you can set this second option always. Let me select done. After this, TV will automatically change a frame rate based on the frame rate of the original content that we are playing. So this way we can change refresh rate or frame rate. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.